arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black clear coat, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, connectivity, bridge solution, black premium cloth bucket seats, global telematics box module, TBM, tires, 215/60R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.